welcome to Slimy with the Slay. Today we're gonna make slime.
And we have our sister Mani and her boyfriend Gio. Gio's gonna be on my team and Mani's gonna be on my sister's team. Okay, where's the glue?
Eat the glue. It's over there. So my sister, Zari, is gonna. Gio's gonna open it.
This is some school. Oh, this is school. That's like Elms. This happens on me. So we are pouring the Elms glue into the container. Look at that. Luscious. Looks like lotion. Don't forget to lotion up every day, guys. Every day. Alright? Don't want dry skin, always moisturize, don't forget.
No more.
Go! Go! Yeah!
Stop.
Alright. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Have it.
Now it's Mani's turn.
Corn. Alright. Are we gonna be putting as much as Gio did, or you just say when, okay, Maya?
I'm watching. Keep on.
God.
Keep on.
Okay.
It's been like, what, 17
It's okay.
years since elementary school?
Thick and
Okay.
pink.
We're
We're gonna-
now we're gonna put in our color.
So,
Yeah, no, I know. Got this one, and
Yeah.
this is pink.
You can put half of it. That's not good. That's the letter love.
I know, the glitter
Well,
glue.
that's red.
Wait, can I use this in here?
You can put
This is,
pink here, put
plain.
it here. I don't know if that's gonna make.
That's it? There's nothing
It's
else.
Oh, this is violet.
Alright.
That's it.
Right.
And then
Put this one in here.
yeah.
We just gonna put it. We good. Alright. Smorgasbord.
Little drops of.
I don't know. We out here designing. What y'all doing? This is the next Louis Vuitton, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're just gonna still our color.
Oh, of course. Yep.
And then
Get some- hold on, hold on.
Red,
Mix it.
yellow, and okay.
put a little more.
Like, put some more.
No.
That's
Leave
so
that
You
up.
said no? No
Yeah.
green? We ain't doing green? What else we got?
See, I like how he got his all splashed around. I'm
It
trying
looks
to get
like
like
a
that.
I don't
crayon.
know what that is. That's
Like-
black? Oh, we got black in here? Okay.
No.
You ain't doing black either?
Yes.
Aw.
You put one drop.
Alright, y'all don't like black people? I
Actually, I
see
want to
it.
add.
I see the racism.
Oh, wait.
It's blue, dude. You took it
No.
out.
It looks so cool. And there's like a crayon.
Right?
Crayon.
And then I'm gonna do a little splash.
A little more.
glitter.
We're done.
I could put these too,
That's
Maya.
it? That's what we
You
doing?
can put some glitter.
Let's just wait for them.
I don't know
I'm
if it's
sure.
shot.
Jesus.
Hold on, I'm trying to get all of the colors.
Exactly. Y'all looking.
Oh yeah, in our color we have regular.
You got gold in them. Yeah.
Dash and gold, because you know everything gold.
I know what's going
Okay.
on. Okay.
There we go.
You gonna mix it.
Oh, I get to mix it? I'll wait for them to finish it.
Okay.
You know, we got a little sad.
Here, picture. Put some
Put some
gold.
gold in there.
Put some gold.
Yeah.
Gold.
They ain't got no platinum. We ain't bringing the platinum back no
They
more?
got the little plastic glitter glue.
Okay.
Ready to mix?
You know, like I said, it's
We got.
platinum. I know y'all got the platinum watches, so I know y'all.
That looks so cool.
Right? So pretty.
Alright.
Now we're
Mix
gonna
it.
mix.
Ready? So we just mix it all together, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Right.
Alright, cool beans.
Oh, that's so pretty.
I like both of y'all.
Look at the colors.
Mine is better.
I like both of y'all. You
creamy, right?
Yeah, but you gotta only use
Mix
a
it all
little bit
up.
of
You
this.
can mix it all up.
That's hair activators.
I'm gonna
I know that's
do-
what that is.
It's not
I'm
hair.
gonna,
It's not
do
hair.
this
Just
It's
mix
not
it
hair.
all in.
That's Soul Glow. That's what it is.
You just have to mix it all in. It's gonna be a
No,
beautiful
just-
color.
This is so.
But we like got the same color.
This reminds me of Mighty Morphin Power Rangers.
Right?
So Ivan Ooze.
You girls probably won't know nothing about that. It's back in our days.
It's okay.
You want me to help you mix that in?
Oh, you saying I don't know how to mix? I probably don't. You want to mix it? Yeah. We elbow grease. Yeah.
You're pretty.
Pretty much.
But it's the same purple, but dark purple and bright.
Now I'm gonna put in maybe
Yeah, exactly. Cool.
maybe
You
some
want me to
green.
splash a little more?
No. Good.
Yeah, like little flakes. It's pretty.
We balling here.
Right.
Trying to bright like diamonds. I don't know how much activator to put.
You have to put a little bit by there.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you do the activators. I don't want to put too
I'm
much.
gonna
And
get
put a little bit.
Go ahead, drop that in there.
Just mix it.
Mix.
It's gonna get there in a minute.
That big tacky.
Okay.
Oh, yep, I hear it.
Go ahead.
Mm-hmm.
Can you mix
Look
it?
at the slimy.
Okay, so now I think I'm gonna add some
Let me add a little bit of that.
Okay.
mix it all
I'm about to
together.
put all
Hey,
that
give it a
into
context
the
in the
bottom
sugar.
since you already know.
Wow. This is
Mix
actually really
it
fun.
well.
Just mix it.
It's so cool.
It's
It's like
getting
a
there.
kid again. This is like the updated version.
Of being a kid.
Yeah.
Kid 7.0.
Yep.
Right here. And there I'm gonna use some. Ooh, let's put it together.
What?
Now we're gonna be putting that.
Yeah. You gonna put the additives in.
Alright, so I'm gonna do a little
Guys.
splash of glitter.
Oh, let's do a Christmas theme.
You can put shaving cream in it too?
Yeah.
Hey,
That's what
you
Mom
did it.
said.
Let me get this shade.
shade.
Let me say. Oh, you want to?
Yeah. How you do it?
Yeah, shake it.
You just messed up my idea, like I just didn't say shit.
Yeah, you show
That's what we do.
We need help.
Still
Y'all got,
That's what I did?
y'all got a
I
little
didn't even realize.
I was trying to pop
You
it
got a
out.
little slime too.
And then what we do, we just put it
Just
in.
make it.
Like,
I
hi.
just put it in. You just like
Put a
this.
whole bunch.
Like this. Do like
Yeah, look at that. Wait, before you spray it. Hey, you see that? You see that? You see that? One more sec. Alright, yeah.
this.
Oh, 1400.
Yeah.
Nice.
Just mix it
I'm gonna
in.
do that next time.
Oh, no. Yellow beans.
This is so cool.
Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot.
Just don't make this slime soft.
It's Christmas.
We got different dots.
Ooh.
We got different
It
dots.
tastes good.
Christmas.
So let's put it
It's
together.
still in,
I know what to do. Get some one of the beads
Still trying
if
it
you
out.
want to pick.
I don't think you want to put those in.
You said these beads?
Fall out.
Yeah,
You can-
yeah, good.
Yeah, I ain't gonna
Red glitter, red glitter.
Put these little candy glitter.
That's gonna be very messy.
Yeah. Get the orange one.
Wow. Oh, it looks like a little mountain over there.
Are you mad?
A little bit.
Yeah, because you over here just sprinkling, mixing
A little
cinnamon.
more. Just a little.
Didn't let it taste itself yet. Let it feel good.
It's like it's hard.
Okay, now.
Like that.
What's that say?
Now to the finish side.
Wait, what?
Fold it.
I love.
Now to go.
I don't
It's gonna be a big.
Yeah, do this.
It's gonna be a big mess.
Oh, it look like a taco.
It's gonna be a big mess if
I'm
I
gonna do another one with the thingies here, with the shaving cream. I'll show you.
if I squeeze it.
Like cheaters. You see what I mean? Cheaters never come.
If I squeeze this, a whole bunch of
Or beat
shaving
on me.
cream.
I bet you want to squeeze it.
Look, candy.
Oh, this is a lot. Look at that.
Oh, that's so cool. Hold
And
on. Alright, let's flatten it out.
Yeah.
read?
Let's just say happy birthday,
Can you
Mom.
read Ebonics?
Wow. The racism.
Me and Gio are gonna add some glitter.
Yikes.
I
Glitter
love
galore.
that.
Alright, and then little mermaid.
Dad, gotta get on the slime.
Gotta get all the slime.
You put it.
Yup, gotta get all the slime. That's how we do it. Get
Hey,
all the
that's too
slime.
much. Too much.
That's how we do it.
Now we go get a strawberry top.
Short
So cute.
Yep. Strawberry shortcake. You see that? That's the cake. That's your strawberry.
Okay, now I'm gonna take it off. And then
And that around, yeah. That's how y'all